بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will start our English language curriculum for the second year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdathi. So I hope you have your books now. In case you do, I need you to open your books at the first unit. The name of the unit is called Hello. As you can see here, we have the name Hello. We will start with lesson number 1. Lesson number 1, you will find this lesson between page 10 and 11. 10 and 11, so let's start. Bismillah. As you remember, my dear student, we start with an introduction last week, right? We start by setting the scene. How are we going to have the book? In case you couldn't have the book, you can go to have an e-book. And what do we need in our English language classes? For the objectives, you are expected, inshallah, by the end of the lesson to have all these objectives. Start a new unit. The name of the unit is Hello. Introduce greetings. What do we mean by greetings? Words we use to greet each other. And introduce letters and numbers. Letters and numbers. So let's start. This is what your English language book look like. So, if you have your books, that's fine. I really prefer that you have the actual book, but in case you don't, you can scan this code to have the ebook. You are watching us via AIN channels, okay? This is the official channels. In case you need the channel frequency, you can go to these 3 accounts, official accounts, to get the channel frequency. In case for any reason you couldn't get the book, you can go to عين أو بوابة عين التعليمية. There you can go, start a new account and try to scroll down until you find your grade and download your book. This is very important as we are starting our journey. This is what عين portable look like. حقيبة عين. You can scroll down until you find your book. Let's say that you need a math book or an English book or so on. So let's start our journey. I hope you are as excited as me. So I need you to take a look at this picture, my dear student, and tell me, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? What can we see here? For me, I can see 2 people starting a conversation. So how might I start a conversation with you? As I did at the beginning of this lesson, I start by greeting you. We can greet each other perhaps by saying words like hi or assalamu alaikum or hello, right? So if you are introducing yourself to a person for the first time, it's extremely polite to start by introducing your name. So how can we do this? Hello, my name is, and mention your name. So, hello, my name is Inas. What about you, my dear student? I need you to introduce yourself to me. Hello, my name is Muhammad. Hello, my name is Fatima, and so on. So, again, this is a word we often use to greet each other in case we don't know the other person's name. So we introduce or we greet and say, then we introduce our names. Hello, my name is Inas, and so on. Also, we might carry on in our when we are talking to another person by saying perhaps hello, hello. How are you? How are you, my dear student? If you are having this question, or if someone asks you this question, you said, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Very good, very good. So here I have 2 greeting words. Hello. Perhaps you could say, hi. How are you? How are you, my dear student? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Now, Let's try to revise some of the classroom instructions. Some of the instructions you will often hear me say. For example, I need you to open your books, my dear students. So open your books at page 10 and 11. This is our first lesson. Open your book. You will be opening your book at page 10 and 11. Let's say we are done with the books. We need to do some handwritings now. So, in this case, we will close our books. Close your books now, my dear student. We don't need them anymore. Close your books. That's right. Amazing. Very good. So we have open your book, close your book. Also, this is very important, and we will do this today. Trace. Trace. For trace, basically all you do is connect between the lines, between the dots. As you can see, if we connect here, I will make the letter A. I will make the letter A. We will be doing a lot of tracing today. For the next one, I have write. Very good. I have write or copy. Very good. I have write or copy. Very good. So maybe I will ask you to write with me or to copy some of the words. And this one is totally different. You might be asked to repeat or read the words or the letters or perhaps the numbers. Read, my dear student. For the next one, I'm the one to your left. I'll be speaking or saying the new words. So I'm the one who speaks or say the new words. You are listening to me, perhaps repeating the words, okay? So I'll be speaking or saying some of the new words. You will be listening and repeating them Very good, okay? This is the table of content in your book. It will help you to locate which page we are looking for. Since we are just starting our curriculum, we are at Unit 1, page number 9. But this is the cover, so we will go directly to page number 10. This is the cover of the unit. Take a look at the cover because I need you to do something very important. As you can see here, I have a picture of several people. I have a dad. I have a mom. Very good. And I have some children or kids. I have Ali, Huda, and Sami. In the top corner, top left corner, you can find the barcode, right? What can you do with this barcode? You can go and scan it with your phone, with your smartphone, to download further information that will help you to have more exercises for this lesson. So again, at each page, you will find at the top right, top left corner, you will find this barcode. You can scan it for further information. So I need you to read this word with me. I already read it several times, so try to say it. This is the name of our unit. It is the word hello. Very good. It's the word hello. It's a greeting word. I use this to greet another person. Hello. Hello. Very good. Okay. In our unit, or in the first lesson, we will start with something that is very important and basics. As we mentioned on the introduction, letters are very important because with letters we can make words. With words we can make sentences, right? So, as we discussed earlier, we have 26 alphabets or letters. How many letters can you see in your books now, my dear student? How many books can you see at page 10? I need you to count how many. That's right, very good. You can see only 3 letters. Letter A, letter B, and letter C. I put them here in a square, okay, in a yellow square. These are the letters that we are going to discuss today. So today, we will learn how to say, pronounce, and write these 3 letters in capital and in small. So today we'll be covering A, B, and C. Okay, these are our three letters. Let's start with the first letter. As you can see, for A, I have two. I have capital A and small a. To the right, I have a picture, and it's associated with a word, right? So I have a picture of what? What do you think? What is this? An apple. Apple. Very good. Apple start with the letter A. A. Apple. Apple. Very good. So let's now read the letter and then read the word. I need you to repeat. I'll be repeating it several times because I need you to hear the pronunciation correctly. So let's start. A. A. One more time. A. One last time. A. Very good, very good. The word here I have is apple. Apple. Very good, very good. Apple. Now let's move to the next letter. For the next letter, I have the letter B. B. One more time. B. One last time. B. Very good, very good. Here I have a picture of a ball. A ball. Very good. Can you name some more items that start with B? Can you think like a bag? Very good. Like a boy. A black. Very good. So I have B and I have ball. Very good. Next one, and this is a very special letter because I might pronounce it or I might say it in two different ways. The letter here is C. C. Okay. Sometimes it's pronounced as in sa. Sometimes it's pronounced as ka. Here I have the word car. C. Ka. Car. But sometimes it's pronounced as sa, like city or circle or cycle. Okay? So let's go and read the letters and the words one last time. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Car. Very good, very good. Now let's go to your pages. You will find this at page 11, my dear student. Now, this is very important. I need you to have pencils, or let's say pen if you are comfortable using pens. I need you to have it, and I need you to look very careful. Observe the way I am writing the letter, okay? I'll be writing this down. I need you to do exactly the same as I'm doing it. Let's start with the capital A, okay? So, make sure you are writing between the lines. Don't go above, don't go under, okay? Now, the trick here with the small letter is stay between the two lines in the middle. So I have small a. I'm sure that your handwriting will develop if you practice writing more and more. Okay, so A, capital, A, small. We'll be doing more. So let's go to the next one. B, as in bag. I have capital B and small b. Now I need you to observe how am I writing this letter. This is B. Now let's write the small b. B. Very good. Make sure again that you are writing between the lines. Last letter here I have is C, and I have the word cat. C, capital C and small c. Let me write this one again. Okay, so I have capital C and small c. Okay, make sure that you are writing this down at your books at page 11. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, and small c. Let's go to the next slide. Now, here I have 4 words. I need your help now. Which letter am I talking about? Am I talking about letter A, letter B, or letter C? As you can see here, I have the word ant, ant, apple, apple, arrow, arrow, astronaut, astronaut. Very good, very good. So I have 4 words that start with the same letter. So they have something in common. Which word or which letter we are talking about? We are talking about letter A. Very good. We are talking about letter A. So as you can see, I have capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. Very good, my dear student. Let's read the words one more time. I need you to repeat the words with me because I need you to get the pronunciation correctly. A, ant, A, apple, A, arrow, A, astronaut. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, I have a different group of pictures. I need you to look at the pictures and tell me which letter we are talking about. I have ball, boy, balloon, butterfly, bell, banana, and bus. So what do you think? What do they have in common? Very good. We are talking about letter B. Very good. As you can see, all the letters start with the letter B. B, ball, B, banana, B, boy, B, butterfly, B, bus, and so on. Very good, very good. Now let's go to the next set of words. Now I have 4 words. Let's read them and try to get which letter we are talking about. I have cake, candle, candy, and car. Which letter are we talking about here? They have something in common, one letter. They all start with the same letter. You are right, we are talking about letter C. S. Cake, candle, candy, and car. Very good, very good. Okay? Now, what I need you to do is this. You know this sign. It means it is writing time. So I need you to have your sheet or your notebook or your papers because we need to write these 3 letters as many times as possible. Okay? So I need you to have your notebooks, your pencils, or your pens and write them down with me. Let's start by writing capital A. Okay? So I'll be writing capital A several times. Now you can go make sure that you are writing between the line. Capital A, and capital A. Very good, very good. Now let's move to the small a. Remember, small a is between the 2 lines in the middle. Another one, another one, and another one. Very good. I'm sure that because you are using your pencils, your handwriting is much better than mine. Now let's move to the next letter. Next letter here I have B, capital B and small b. Observe or try to focus. How am I writing the capital B? Let's write it one more time. Very good. One last time. B. Very good, very good. Now it's time to write the small b. Very good. One more time. Remember, practice will make your handwriting very beautiful. Now let's go to the last letter. Here I have letter C. Capital C. Capital C. The first one is much better. Capital C and capital C. Let me erase the last two. Capital C and capital C. Now, let's write the small c now. Small c and small c. Now, I need your help. Try to help me out. Which words we learned today that start with the letter A? Can you name some words that start with the letter A? We have apple, very good, apple, arrow, ant. Let's go back. Yes, like these. We have ant, apple, arrow, and astronaut. Very good, very good. For the next one, I have a ball, boy, balloon, butterfly, bill, banana, and bus. Very good. For the last one, I have cake, candle, candy, and car. Very good, very good. Now let's go to page 10. In page 10 here, as you can see, I will have it zoomed in a minute, but I need you to focus now in listening to me and try to repeat the words as I'm reading it, okay? So, first part, look and read. This is the picture you have at the cover, remember? So here I have family members. I have family members. I have mom, Ali, Huda, Sami, and dad. Very good. So let's read number 2. Let's read the sentences together. Hello, I am dad. Hello, I am mom. Hello, hello. Hello, I am Ali. Hello, I am Huda. Hello, hello, everyone. Remember, hello is a word we use to greet another person. So let me read it one more time. Hello, I am dad. Hello, I am mom. Hello, hello. Hello, I am Ali. Hello, I am Huda. Hello, hello, everyone. Very good. Now let's go to the lower part. Lower part is about numbers. We already introduced numbers and we focused or emphasized about the importance of numbers. Numbers are very important. We could use it to tell the time, to tell the date, to ask about how much this thing cost. So let's start with easy numbers. I bet you can know this one. We will start with number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Let's say that I find it difficult to count using my remembering the numbers. To start with, we can use our hands to count at the beginning, but later on you will be expert, you will not be using anything. So here I'm counting the dots, 1, 2, 3. So the number is 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. Okay, so let's have more numbers. Now, I need you to listen and then say the number with me. Starting from the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's say it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, very good. Now you'll be asked to do something. You know this? It is a tracing time. So we have the numbers here. Let's write the numbers, or let's trace the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, very good. Now, this is the lower part at page 10. You have the numbers here, and he's doing something fun here. He is mixing the greeting with the number, as if I'm greeting the numbers, okay? So, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, very good. So these were the numbers. Now, let's do something different. For this exercise, what I need you to do is fill in the missing numbers. So I have the numbers starting from number 1 till number 10. But I need to fill the missing spaces. So starting from 1, what's the next one? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, my dear student. So, let's try to remember what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we introduced 3 letters. The letters were A, B, and C. A as in apple, B as in book, C as in cat. Also, we introduced numbers starting from number 1 till number 10. I need you to go ahead and revise this. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.